at an age where we are designing global systems where you can extract carbon dioxide out of the ambient atmosphere. You can do it at a fairly high price, but not totally irrational. And you can do it and still, even if you're burning fossil fuel to power the system, have a positive gain for the atmosphere.
In 1975, NASA brought together a group of thinkers to imagine how a large space colony would work. They describe a permanent space settlement of 10,000 people who work, raise families, and live normal human lives. The report described how the shared mission and innovative spirit of the colony made it a rewarding place to live. But from what we know of the experience of astronauts in the International Space Station, is this what we should expect from life in space?
Because the number one pastime for astronauts is looking out the window. The world is mesmerizingly beautiful from orbit, and every place you ever read about just rolls by like a movie or a gift. You know, there goes the Amazon, and you get to look, or you see the whole Nile from the source right down to Alexandria, just there out the window. It was an interesting mental transition for people that are living with Earth so prevalent in their view and dealing with Earth with no real time lag, and yet they had already viewed themselves as spacelings, not Earthlings. They recognized themselves as separate entities.
Large and small, hot and cold, and in a wide variety of orbits.
ESO's venerable 3.6-meter telescope is also hunting for exoplanets.
The HARP spectrograph is the most accurate in the world. So far, it's discovered more than 150 planets.
Its biggest trophy, a rich system containing at least 5 and maybe as many as 7 alien worlds.
There's a whole question of why we're doing it, the philosophy of going to another planet.
Even birds know not to foul their nests. How come we don't know that?
Sooner or later, a responsible civilization takes what actions it can to preserve its society survival.
Imagine what it's going to be like for the people that are going to Mars. They will be Martians way before they get to Mars.
Because you reach a point where you can no longer ignore what you're actually doing. And I submit that we are close to that point.
It's the biggest question ever.
And the answer is 知るねるそう思う